Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the text size of the prompter in CapCut, but first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 100,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how you can make money online. So let's jump into it. After you open the app, you should see at the top section the prompter option. Click on it. And now you should see in the middle of the screen the text box, and at the last option or icon, that hexagon icon, if you click on it, you can see the font size option, so from small to really big. So here you can set up the right font size for you, and you can see that here you can set up the speed as well, or the color of the text. So that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.